Hello and welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the concepts about our life in general and our careers in particular. As all of us, we plan a lot of things. There are a lot of things that we want to achieve with our life. We have a lot of goals, a lot of ambitions, and a lot of things stored in us. But somehow, we are unable to achieve those results. We are unable to reach to our potential. And there's one question that keeps on coming into our mind is that why we are unable to accomplish what we want. And the one thing that comes very clearly out of the multiple reasons, and one thing that comes out very clearly as the main reason, is that though we have lot of things going on in our mind, we don't have a very clear way forward. And to make a way clear forward to our performances and to our life in general, we can do it with some simple practices. I'll be discussing with you 3 main practices with which we can achieve more out of our life. So practice number 1, whatever we want to do with our life is all there as thoughts in our mind. So the first thing we want to do is put out everything that is there in your mind onto a paper. Get those thoughts out, draw those thoughts out, read those thoughts out, and write those thoughts out. There can be a number of thoughts, but they need to come out of your head and onto a paper. I should see what I am organizing. Once I see what I am organizing, I'll be very clear about what I have in my hand, what my brain and thoughts are, and funneling it out into one space gives me a clear-cut idea about how my brain is thinking. And the one thing that I'll advise you guys is that when you're trying to funnel this out into one place, guys, I would request you all to use pen and paper and not to use anything that is digital. The digitalness of the things has a potential of distractions. There is something very cool about this paper. There is something very cool about the pen that you use. Once you use it, once you write all the things down, it makes you very clear about how your brain is trying to think. Try to draw diagrams, try to draw flow charts, try to draw things out in a way and try and improvise it, because once you start putting down your thoughts, it is not going to come out in a single flow, but it may take time for you to regurgitate out whatever is there in your brain as far as you're planning about your life or the way forward is concerned. There are hundreds of apps available on the App Store or maybe on the Google Play Store. You can use them, but I would prefer not to use those apps and to prefer pen and paper and draw everything that you have, because guys, our phone or our mobile or our tablets, they are a form of distraction rather than a form of focus. So many times when we want to focus on certain things, we need that clarity of thought. And many times what happens, you open an app, you try to type something, that typing may not reflect whatever your brain is trying to think. That typing might just be words, but if you have a book in front of you or a notepad in front of you, then you can draw it out with your hand, you can flowchart it out with your hand, the rough diagrams that you have. This gives you a more clarity about your thoughts. The second drawback about digital platforms is that, guys, you try to open one app and then you get a notification from some other app and then you want to go and see that app, or suddenly a social media message pops up and it opens up and your concentration is lost, and the clarity of thought that is required and the single-minded focus that you require to bring those things out may not be there when you are using a digital platform. Why bringing this out is important, guys? It is because it takes some time to bring that raw material out and to chisel it out and give it a final shape. It will require some time for you to think and give those rough formats a shape and a way forward. Now, once your way forward or once your thoughts have been finalized, the second tip is, guys, you have to prioritize the things. How we prioritize the thing? It is very important, guys, to understand that we have got only one life, and in this one life we have limited amount of years to live. There are 2 resources that are very limited with us. Number 1 is time, and the second one is the attention or focus that we have. These are limited in our 24 hours. We only have 7 days a week. We only have 365 days in a year. Our life is moving very fast and very quickly forward. So if we are not able to prioritize what job needs to be done immediately and what can be left for some time afterwards, or maybe 6 months to 1 year afterwards, we may not be able to achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. We may end up doing multiple things simultaneously, and this will drain off the two most important resources that are required to channelize all our energies, that is time and our focus. We have to distinguish between important and non-important, urgent and non-urgent. We have to categorize them to achieve something in our life. Once we are done that, for doing this, we need to discuss this out with our very close friends, our family and our mentors, so as to come to a final conclusion. Now is the third tip. If you have to achieve a task, that task is just like a big elephant in your room. So if you are being asked that how would you be eating that big elephant that is there in your room, or an elephant that is being given for you to eat, you eat the elephant bit by bit. You cannot eat the elephant all at once. So what you need to do is you need to do chunks of planning. That is what is the third tip. Make small chunks of planning. Divide your life or your year or your quarter into small 3 periods. The best way forward is to do a 3-month plan. You need to have a 3-month plan, and you need to prioritize and put the thing as to how you want to achieve it. The 3 months plan is in front of you, and divide it into every week. What are you going to do in this week number 1, week number 2, week number 3? Sit on a Sunday and make a list as to what are the tasks that you have completed in the previous week, decided in the previous week and completed in the previous week, and the ones that you are going to do in the next week to achieve the target of the 3 months. This will help you to lay out your projects. This will help you to plan and organize your life more clearly. You need to have plans for your health. You need to have plans for your personal growth. You need to have plans for the projects that you want to complete. You need to have your plans for the career options that you have, and you need to have a plan for the bigger goal in life that you want to achieve. But for that, you need these small chunks of planning with urgent and non-urgent in front of you, and slowly and gradually you are achieving it. Once you have that, we can consciously move forward towards achieving whatever we have laid out. So these are some of the very important tips that can help you organize your life and organize your career. Hope this might have helped you in achieving the goals that you have set forward for yourself in your life. This has helped me achieve a lot in my life and moving towards a goal that I have set for myself. I hope you have liked our video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you like the content and you find that it is helpful to you in some way or the other. Do subscribe to our channel and push the notification icon so that you get notification whenever we are uploading the video. Hope to meet you soon with the next one. Thank you.